Welcome to the massive Mercedes-Benz MCV 800 double-decker factory. Today, raw steel becomes your next city icon. Look at those massive coils of high-strength steel and aluminum arriving. Everything starts with these mega rolls. If you love watching huge machines build buses, hit subscribe now. You won't want to miss this. Watch the decoiler feed a 5-ton steel coil into the blanking line. This is raw power. Look closely. The laser cutter slices door frames and body panels with millimeter accuracy. No room for error. A 2,000-ton press stamps a chassis crossmember in one violent hit. Feel the floor shake. See the CNC punch press creating hundreds of precise holes for wiring and air systems. This is serious engineering. Watch hydraulic press brakes bend the MCV 800 sidewall profiles. Every angle matters for aerodynamics. Look at these massive floor panels taking shape. They'll support 2 decks and up to 100 passengers. You see that laser scanner checking every stamped part. It catches flaws your eyes would miss. You see that laser scanner checking every stamped part. It catches flaws your eyes would miss. Watch that press form the roof bow. It creates the strong curve of the upper deck ceiling. Watch that press form the roof bow. It creates the strong curve of the upper deck ceiling. Look at the robotic trim press remove excess metal. Only the exact shape survives. Look at the robotic trim press remove excess metal. Only the exact shape survives. These stamped components are stacked in perfect sequence. The line never stops moving. These stamped components are stacked in perfect sequence. The line never stops moving. See how automated carts carry thousands of stamped parts toward the body welding line. The skeleton is next. See how automated carts carry thousands of stamped parts toward the body welding line. The skeleton is next. The metal is welded, punched, and pressed. Soon these pieces become a double-decker body. Welcome to the framing area. Watch robots position the MCV 800's floor frame on a massive jig.
Look at those welding robots lay down perfect beads on the double-decker's floor frame. It's a light show.
See the sidewall panel being welded into the bus frame. This creates the lower deck's strong box.
Watch the upper deck floor frame drop into place. This is the structural heart of your bus. Look at the front and rear modules being joined. This sets the bus's face and engine bay.
See robots weld the roof bows across the upper deck. It's like building a rolling cathedral. Watch the staircase frames slide into position. 2 staircases mean faster passenger flow. Look at the side pillars connecting both decks. They must handle rollover forces without flinching. See the robot measure weld seams with laser vision. Every millimeter is checked before moving on.
Watch more cross members being welded underneath. This chassis will carry 18 tons fully loaded.
Look at skilled technicians back up the robots with spot welds in tight corners. Human precision meets automation. See the complete MCV 800 body shell now. It's huge, over 4 meters tall and 10 meters long. Watch the rear engine cradle get welded in. It will hold the Mercedes-Benz OM470 diesel heart. Look at the front axle mounting points being reinforced. Safety starts with a strong skeleton. See the aluminum side panels arrive. Lightweight but tough, they define the MCV 800's modern look. Watch robots apply structural adhesive and rivets to the side panels. This bond is stronger than welding alone. Look at the massive roof panel lowered onto the upper deck. Now the bus becomes fully enclosed. See the roof panel fused to the pillars with laser welding. It's a clean, precise process. Watch the door openings get final framing. Wide entrances allow fast boarding for city traffic. Your MCV 800 body shell is now complete. Next, it heads into the paint alchemy. Welcome to the paint shop. Your bus body enters a world of chemical baths and color transformation.
Look at the body shell getting high-pressure washed. Dirt and oil must be completely gone.
Watch the body dip into the degreasing bath. This removes every trace of factory grease. See the phosphate coating being applied. It gives the paint a perfect grip on the metal. Now the body dives into the anti-corrosion e-coat bath. Electric current makes paint bond everywhere. Watch the body rise from the e-coat and rinse. A uniform gray skin now protects it for decades. Look at the body bake at 180 degrees Celsius. The coating hardens into a tough shell. C robots apply seam sealer along every joint. This keeps moisture out of your bus forever. Watch the underbody get sprayed with stone chip protection. It's built for rough city streets. Look at the primer robots cover the entire body. The perfect base for the Mercedes-Benz color. See the body get sanded smooth by orbital machines. Even dust gets removed before color.
Watch the base coat robots lay down that deep, rich color. Your double-decker starts to shine.
Look at the clear coat locking in the color with a glossy finish. It's like liquid glass. See the body enter the paint oven. Heat cures the layers into a durable, scratch-resistant finish.
Watch laser sensors measure paint thickness across every panel. Consistency is everything.
Look at inspectors checking gloss levels under bright lights. Any flaw is corrected right now. See the roof get a second color treatment. It reflects heat and gives the bus its iconic look. Watch the wheel arches get painted matte black. This frames the wheels and hides road grime. The painted body now cools slowly. This prevents micro cracks in the finish. Your MCV 800 leaves paint looking stunning. Next stop, the interior craftsmanship line. Welcome to the interior line. This is where your double-decker transforms from shell to passenger sanctuary. Look at workers roll out thick insulation across both decks. It cuts noise and heat for passengers. Watch the anti-slip vinyl flooring get bonded down. It's tough enough for thousands of footsteps daily.
See the ceiling panels clip into place. They hide wiring and air ducts while looking clean.
Look at the contoured sidewall trim attached to the frame. Every joint aligns perfectly. Watch the air conditioning ducts slide into the ceiling. Your bus will stay cool even in summer heat. See the main wiring harness thread through the body. It's the nervous system of your MCV 800. Look at the driver cockpit module being fitted. Controls, screens, and steering all come as one unit. Watch the steering column and pedals align with the driver's seat. Ergonomics keep drivers comfortable all day.
See the front staircase crane into place. It's a sculpted piece of aluminum and glass.
Look at the rear staircase drop in. Dual staircases keep passenger flow smooth at bus stops.
Watch handrails bolt along both decks. Every grab point is positioned for standing passengers. See the upper deck seats lock into floor tracks. They're high-backed, padded, and built for long rides. Look at the lower deck seats go in. Foldable, space-saving, and easy to clean. Watch the massive side windows being bonded into place. They give passengers a full view of the city. See the front and rear glass fitted. Curved, laminated, and weather sealed for years. Look at the 3 wide passenger doors being hung. Electric actuators will open them thousands of times a day. Watch the CCTV cameras and passenger info screens get wired in. Modern transit demands smart tech. See the LED lighting strips run through both decks. Energy efficient and bright for night service. The interior is nearly done. Soft seats, bright glass, and clean lines, your MCV 800 feels alive.
Welcome to the chassis marriage line. This is where the bus body meets its mechanical soul.
Look at the Mercedes-Benz OM470 diesel engine. 6 cylinders, 10.7 liters, ready to work. Watch technicians fit the alternator, compressor, and belts. Every accessory must be perfect before mounting.
See the ZF EcoLife automatic transmission mate to the engine. Smooth shifts keep passengers comfortable. Look at the massive radiator and intercooler assembly. It will handle full load heat in traffic. Watch the front independent suspension axle rise into place. Air springs give that floating ride. See the heavy-duty rear drive axle positioned under the bus. It carries 13 tons of load every day. Look at the air bellows and leveling valves being installed. The bus kneels at stops for easy boarding. Watch lasers align the chassis frame with the body. Perfect geometry prevents vibration and wear. Here comes the big moment. The painted body lowers onto the chassis. This is the marriage.
Look at the body and chassis locked together with a solid clunk. Bus and drivetrain become one. Watch the engine mounts get torqued to specification. These bolts hold 1,100 Newton meters of diesel torque. See the propeller shaft connect transmission to rear axle. It transfers power without a hint of slack. Look at the exhaust system and SCR catalytic converter being fitted. Clean emissions meet Euro 6 standards. Watch the 300-liter fuel tank go into the side bay. Long range for all-day city service. See the air tanks and EBS valves installed. The brakes are powerful and electronically controlled.
Look at the steering linkage connect the front wheels. Drivers get precise control with electric assist.
Watch the heavy-duty batteries and power cables go in. They feed the bus's 24-volt systems.
See the first fluids flow in. Engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid. The mechanical heart starts to wake.
The chassis is fully married. Your MCV 800 now has the heart and bones to move.
Welcome to Final Dress. This is where all the final pieces click into place.
Look at those alloy wheels being torqued onto the hubs. Each wheel gets precise bolt tension. Watch tires inflate to the correct pressure. Safety and fuel economy depend on this step. See the electric side mirrors being mounted. They offer wide visibility and auto-folding for tight streets. Look at the windshield wipers and washer jets fitted. Clear vision in rain is non-negotiable.
Watch the full LED headlight clusters slot in. Your bus is now instantly recognizable at night.
See the Mercedes-Benz badge and MCV 800 graphics applied. This is brand identity on the move. Look at the rubber door seals pressed into place. They stop wind, water, and noise.
Watch the last interior trim pieces clipped in. Grab handles, seat covers, and floor edging all final.
See the air conditioning system get charged with refrigerant. Cold air will flow through both decks. Look at the brake system being filled and bled. The pedal will feel firm and responsive. Watch technicians flash the latest ECU software. Engine, transmission, and safety systems all sync. Here it comes, the first start. Listen to that Mercedes-Benz diesel rumble to life.
See the bus roll over the alignment pit. Laser sensors check all 4 wheels track perfectly. Your MCV 800 is fully dressed and running. One last phase remains: testing and exodus.
Welcome to the testing hall. Your bus hits the rollers to verify power, brakes, and speed. Look at the bus drive through the monsoon water booth. High-pressure jets test every seal.
Watch the bus slam its brakes on the test track. It must stop straight and true every time.
See the bus on the bump track. Suspension, steering, and body are shaken down for rattles. Look at inspectors walk around the entire bus with tablets. Every detail is checked one last time.
Watch the bus get its final detailing. It rolls out looking like it belongs in a showroom.
See the factory doors open. Your MCV 800 double-decker drives out into the world for the first time. If you enjoyed seeing your bus built, hit like and subscribe. More factory tours are coming.
Comment below, what city should this double-decker serve first? We read every single one.
Thanks for watching. See how your Mercedes-Benz MCV 800 is born. Now stay tuned for more engineering.